puts your box, your Dropbox, your iCloud, and your Google Drive into one iPad app, and that's what we're going to talk about next on iPad 365.
This episode brought to you by AV Event Solutions.
Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here. Welcome to iPad 365, the show where we look at apps to keep your iPad aplay. Today, we're going to take a look at one app that'll actually put it all together so you don't have to go to your Dropbox, you don't have to go to your box, you don't have to go to your Google Drive. You've got one location for it all. First of all, hey, the Twitter handle is iPad365. The email is show@ipad-365.com. And of course, we went to the website, we changed up the website. Now it's on its own location over at ipad-365.com. Go there, check it out, let me know what you think. What apps are your favorites? Let me know by twittering me over at iPad365. One more thing here, of course, as you know, there's a little bit of change to me at Geekazine. Jeffrey Powers last week, I actually did take off the whole beard. I'm going to grow some back, not the whole thing. It's not going to be epic beard anymore. So, but I'll have a new look coming very, very soon. So, if you have suggestions, if you like the old look, let me know and Twitter me at iPad365. All right, today we're going to talk about an app that actually combines other storage devices into one app. Now, you might have a Dropbox account, you might have a Google Drive, you might have iCloud, and you might have Box, or maybe some other cloud service, maybe even an FTP site where you push everything, or your own personal cloud somewhere in your house. Maybe it's a Pogo Plug, maybe it's a Drobo, maybe it's something else. You can all hook it up into one app and have your iPad control back and forth what you want to see, what you want to load up, what you want to take off. The app is called Documents. It's by Reddle, R-E-A-D-D-L-E, Reddle, and it is a great app for you to actually store your documents, go to your different drives, pull them up and get them ready for maybe some editing, maybe some review, maybe showing off some pictures, showing off some video, and even getting into your iTunes store so you can listen to music, bring some music up, and then bring it back to your computer. Here's how it works. We have the main interface here, and as you can see, I have some files here. On the side here, we can go to our documents, we can go to our iCloud, we can go to our network, and we can go to our browser, which if we want to set up something on the web, we can do so from there. Underneath that, I've set up some networks. Let's go back to network because that's where we can actually sync up and edit some new stuff here. So we can actually sync up the Geekazine folder, or we can actually add some storage. Now, as you can see, we've got Dropbox, we've got WebDAV storage, we've got an FTP server that you can go to, SugarSync, Office 365, SharePoint, CloudMe. As they keep going, they're probably going to add more. I actually connected my Box account. Of course, I also connected to my Google Drive, and I also connected to my Dropbox, which I have. I mostly use Dropbox when it comes to sharing out things like video and documents and stuff like that. So basically, I have a whole bunch of documents here. I'm going to look down for my scripts here. This is usually where I put scripts for ads and stuff like that. I've got a script here for my Day in Tech History show where I talk about Audible, audiblepodcast.com, which, by the way, if you go to audiblepodcast.com/day-in-tech, you can actually get yourself a 30-day free trial. So anyway, I can actually bring this in. I can load this up here. I can sync this into my documents. So let's bring it up. It already says the file already exists because I already loaded it up, but I'm going to replace it. So what that does is it brings this file into my documents area. Now here, and it brings it back to the documents area. Here it is, the Audible script, and of course we have a couple other scripts up on top there. Now I can edit it from here. I can bring it back to Dropbox, I can take it to Google Drive, I can take it to Box or whatever. Or I don't want that anymore, I'm just going to probably just remove it. So I'll just hit delete here, and it says, are you sure? And I say yes. And it doesn't delete from your Dropbox or your cloud drive. It's only deleting from the iPad. So I can bring stuff over, edit it, maybe move it back. And then, of course, I can edit, and I can star, I can rename, I can zip it up, I can upload and open in different programs. Like, for instance, if I wanted to open this document, it's a PDF. If I wanted to open it up into Sign My iPad Pro or Notability or Notes or something like that, I can actually do that from there. I can pull over from my computer. I can actually have it set up so when the computer is running, I got a special folder. I pull from that folder, put it in here. Maybe it's a bunch of pictures that I took a while back that I wanted to show a bunch of people at some event that I'm going to or something like that. Things like that where I can load up my iPad, get it ready, go out to the event, show off what I need to show off, come back and put it all back and start all over again. Everything that I can do, I can read Office documents, read and annotate PDF files, search inside of documents, I can edit text files, I can look at photos, I can watch movies, I can listen to music, I can manage my files, whether it be a Mac or PC, comes right onto the iPad. It syncs with iCloud, it syncs with Dropbox, Box, Google Drive, other services, shares your files, stores email attachments, downloads documents to the web, and saves web pages to read later. That's everything, and a whole bunch more. There's even more to this app. So even if you don't have the Box app on your iPad, if you don't have the Dropbox app on your iPad, have documents on your iPad. It's a one-stop shop for all your documents. Once again, it's called Documents. It's by Readdle, R-E-A-D-D-L-E, and it is on the App Store for all iOS devices, and it's there now. Let's say you have an important meeting that you want to impress everybody with. Maybe you're traveling cross country for this meeting, but don't want to take your computers because they're in production. Worse yet, maybe your current technology isn't impressive enough. If you need to impress, consider AV Event Solutions for your technology rental needs. AV Event Solutions can provide computers in servers or workstations, tablets of any kind, and other technology your clients need, all to your location. It doesn't stop there. Digital signage, LCD rentals, lighting, Wi-Fi boosters, audience polling systems, audio equipment, and a whole bunch more. They have iPads galore, so if you need a room full of iPads for setting up kiosk programs, program displays, or portable cash registers, AV Event Solutions has that. Ramp up your training sessions, your meetings, your trade shows, or whatever you need to make a splash with AV Event Solutions. Check it all out. Visit aveventsolutions.com and click on that orange Express quote button to find out how you're going to impress for success. That's over at aveventsolutions.com. And that's this episode of iPad 365. What did you think of Documents? Did you download it on your iPad? Have you used it? Did you sync it with your FTP? Let me know what you like, what you don't like about it by simply twittering me over at iPad 365. iPad 365 is the Twitter handle. Of course, show at iPad-365.com is the email address. If you've got an app that you want me to take a look at, just let me know and we will take a look at it. My name is Jeffrey Powers. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for listening over on Stitcher, maybe over on iTunes, or your other favorite MP3 catcher. We will see you next time. And in the meantime, geek out.